Hi everyone, this is Kaundinya, CEO of Repair. We would like to invite everyone for our product launch event, which is AMCs for two-wheelers. Introducing myself, I did my master's in US and had a work experience in Microsoft and Sony. Around 2018 May, I returned back to India looking for other opportunities and try to explore other areas. When I was doing that, one fine day, my father has to give his car servicing thrice to Volkswagen Service Center, which did not get resolved even after giving thrice. So interesting, and it made me curious to do more research about vehicle service industry or automobile service industry in India, which is mostly unorganized. After doing the background evaluation, I came to know that it has a big scope and something similar to on-demand services like Ola, Swiggy can be also implemented in this field. So given the motivation and taking different opinion from the experts, we came up with a platform named Repair. After successfully giving services to in Hyderabad, after tying up with 415 mechanics at more than 135 locations, we are happy to announce that we'll be launching our AMC services, which would penetrate to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities in overall AP and Telangana. So I would like to introduce our chairman, Mr. Satya Prasad, who will be giving you a welcome note and would like to let you know more about our vision and what would we be doing in future.
Hi. Doing the business in normal way is a very traditional and conventional activity. Generally, that is the trend of business activity. And another way is selecting a high sophisticated activity is an exceptional way where the heavy investment and a lot of intelligence is required. And the present generation and present trend is an innovative way of doing business, and that is app based or IQ based, and so many new trends are coming in the way. But however, whether any type of activity, any type of business, the basic principle of business is gaining the customer confidence and the trust and dependability, and then eventually this is the basic principle to reach the customer confidence and then sustainability. Repair is a new wave in its operations, selected an automotive industry and vehicle service as their main line of activity. In fact, this is an innovative area, but very volatile and then complexometric operations. However, with their new thinking and implementing the way that they treat in providing in vehicle servicing very hassle-free operations, doorstep activities, and linking the user with the service provider, digital payments, transparent activity, and without no havocs, adding their thought process to CSR activity too is really commendable. Though this line is very complexometric, with the plans and the personnel involved in repair team is really an appreciable thing. With a good number of vehicles doctors and extended channel associates across the state, especially in Twin Cities, I wish Repair would be in forefront in offering respectable and affordable and sustainable services through which they would get their fame as per their vision. With customer satisfaction as main rock for repair activity, I wish that they would spread their activity so soon, not only our both the states, and they would conquer this particular activity throughout South India and eventually entire India. Wishing all the best, Repair team. And now formally, I am launching one of their prestigious product. What they are launching now is an innovative AMC for two-wheeler vehicle. Soon they are introducing for other vehicles too, and I wish Repair a grand success taking this particular launching into their crown, and then many more products to come in the next coming days. Thank you and wishing Repair team all the best.
In current pandemic scenario, people must be wondering how we would be serving them at their doorstep. So we are taking all possible safety precautions, just like this mask, and also wearing all the protective equipment that will make sure it would not be transmitted to our customers. And we are also introducing the one-of-a-kind doorstep services for AMCs, and make sure that everything will be taken care of by our mechanics. Again, they are called as vehicle doctors. At the same time, we are introducing sanitization services for both two-wheelers and four-wheelers, and we also have a combo package, just like we were discussing earlier. And coming back, I would like to thank our chairman, Mr. Satya Prasad, for launching the product, and all the people who have worked day and night and put their efforts to bring this product onto this stage and launch it into the market. Coming to the future scenarios, we would like to also introduce insurance spare part centralization, where people could get quality spare parts and doesn't doubt the service that are being given. At the same time, you could wonder why this industry, because it's a $10 billion industry just in India that is related to vehicle servicing, and top 10 companies have a turnover that is clocking around $100 million, which is just 1%. And there is so much opportunity, so much scope, and so much space for others to grow. Given this current scenario, we think like COVID has been disrupting every other business, and similarly, we would be in forefront of innovation and would take all the positive words that are being given by our customers in the form of feedback to encourage us to do more. And the feedback, whether it's negative or positive, would definitely motivate us to do better and probably give best possible service for affordable prices compared to others. Thank you.
Repair!